Here we got some trains there, American Standard. This building is actually closed. I expect none of these are gonna run. Yeah, XE1200. Eagle unit. That is a 3-ton from 2000. Got another one. This is also a straight eagle unit, I think. This is about a rip off too. That is a 5-ton, but I think this thing is just blocking the air. Then we got American Standard. I think it's 12. Straight eagle unit as well. What's the data sheet? Stupid. Oh, there we go. 2003. I think this is a 5-ton. I think 5-ton. Well, here's the video of these two here and this American Standard. So, there you go.